If you want people to take your brand more seriously, I think you need to, take it up a notch. My name is Michelle Gifford, and welcome to the Business Mom School, where I help you grow a business. And because I know you're a business mom, you don't have time to waste. So I come on here, I'm giving you videos that are going to walk through step by step of how to build that solid brand and business so you can save time and make more money. So today we're talking about building a solid visual brand. Now, a lot of times this gets kind of shoved aside because, yeah, we choose a couple colors and we grow an Instagram account with those couple colors and we feel like that's good enough. But then what happens is we either start taking our business more seriously or we start wanting to grow in other ways and we're taking on new people, like we have a VA or we're hiring a marketing agency or we have a special course launch or project. And we suddenly realize that we do not have a solid visual brand. Well, I want to walk you through 3 different options in creating that brand. And these options will be based on your budget and also like the goal of your business. So before I give you those 3 options, I want to share with you why this is so important. Because if you want to show up as a business that people trust to pay money, and also if you want people to easily recognize the content that you put out as yours, then you need to establish a visual brand. So a visual brand consists of colors, fonts, logos, and any design elements that add to that. So this is awesome because instead of every time you show up on Instagram having to decide on your colors and which fonts you're going to use, you can make that decision once. And then it makes your process of creating those images for Instagram or Pinterest or wherever you're showing up seamless. And so you don't have to waste time deciding. You can decide once and then move on. Another great thing is that once you've decided these and really have honed in on your brand, then you can hand this visual brand, if you create a document, which I recommend, to a designer or a VA or your marketing agency or whoever you're working with, and they can see very clearly your brand, your colors, and they can help create things for you that matches your aesthetic. You do not have to be a huge established brand to make this happen. You can start small, but if you are established and you have some money, then there are also options for you that help you create a more custom designer brand that I want to show you as well. So let's get into it. The first one that you can create is through Canva. No matter how you start, I would go to Pinterest and look up colors that you want to use. And you can just type in Pinterest. You can type in brand colors or brand guide colors or things like that. And start looking at the ones that really resonate with you, that you really like. And then just choose 3 to 5 colors that go together that you want to use across your brand. And once you do that, you can go into Canva. Now, Canva has some really great logos that you can create that have the templates and you're ready to go. If you don't use Canva, now is the time to use it because this is free and you're going to get a ton of templates. So if I just go to logo and I search logo, you'll see over here that you can choose different styles and themes. So I like minimalist. So let's just do this and let's do business. Okay. Then it's going to come up with a bunch of different options. Okay. So if we click on let's say you like this one. Now, this is very cool because not only can you get logo templates, you can also come over here to styles and they have a bunch of different color palettes already here and fonts. So you can do see all and you can choose a color palette that you like. Let's say that you like this one. Okay, then it automatically changes. Apply to all pages down here. And then go back. And then you'll also can look at your font sets. And they also have these combinations, which is pretty awesome. So they chose the colors and then they have font combinations that you can start using. If you don't like what they've already pre-done here, you can look at all of the font sets that they have and you can choose your fonts from here. So Canva is a really great place to start if you're just starting your business because they have made it very simple. They've already paired fonts that go together and they also have some color palettes to make it really easy for you. So Canva is a great option. Now, if you want something a little bit more custom, but you're not ready to go all in with a personal designer, then we have created something special for you. These are my designer brand bundles. And this actually comes with everything you need for a visual brand. And we have 5 different options depending on your style and the colors that you like. This gives you the logos, fonts that go with it, and your colors that work really well with all of those. And also design elements like some graphics, some templates for Instagram so that you're ready to go. Now, the cool thing about these are they are already created and they're created by a designer. So they're created very intentionally And so they're going to look a little bit more designer, a little more upscale than your Canva ones, but it's not nearly as expensive as getting someone to design it for you. So I like these template options because you can just grab them and go and start branding your business like today. And if you want these, you can use code YouTube to get $50 off. So let's look at this other option. These are my templates. You'll notice that my website is branded, right? There's my colors all over the website. So if you come down here, you'll notice that these are the different templates, and you can either, like, this one is pink, this one's more modern, you have a peachy green one, boho style, and this bright and fun one. But all of them come with logos that are custom logos, brand elements, which are the things that you would add like to your Instagram posts. We have highlight icons for Instagram, and then your social media icons, and then it has your colors, and it has these social media templates that you can use. So if you're ready to just like you want something more custom and you want it all in one place, that you know that everything works together and has been put together by a designer, then this is a great place to be. And you can use code YouTube for $50 off. All right. And the last option is to have something custom designed for you. So I have a marketing agency and I have a team of designers who can totally do this. There are benefits to this option. If you're doing the free or nearly free option, then you are relying on your expertise. And that's great, especially if you're starting out, you can totally do that. But if you're ready to take it seriously and get more professional opinion and expertise, then this is a great option for you because you can not only have an expert help you with your brand messaging. That's what we do. We do your brand messaging. We figure out your visual branding, and then we do your website and your email opt-in and your email welcome sequence. And then we close with a strategy call. So we do the whole branding process. And that is a really powerful thing to have. We have a lot of clients that come to us and they're not confident about their brand. They're a little bit wishy-washy. And then through the whole branding process, because we take them from not only just having a visual brand, but knowing their brand messaging and their values, and then adding that visual brand and applying it to the rest of their business, they leave more confident business owners. The downside to this is going to be more expensive and it's going to take more time. But if you're ready to take that leap, then this is a really good place for you. Let me show you an example of what a fully custom design looks like. So this is one of our clients, the Sorted Standard. They're fantastic and they will help you organize your home. I want you to see the difference between a custom design brand and why you might want to do it. So you notice that this is very custom. We went in and like customized this logo, and we also made the fonts for this very custom to what they wanted. And it comes with your brand promise and all of your brand messaging. We help you create this so you don't have to do this alone. This is your brand values, what you want people to like feel with your brand. And then we honestly did the logos, and then we have like, this is what it would look like when they open their store. And we walk through like the right way to use your logo. We have our primary logo and our secondary logo, and then our brand mark. This isn't something that you're going to get with Canva, but this is definitely more custom, more high end. You're ready to go. And then we also create, this is their color visual foundation. So I'm going to show you what we create and then how you see like this has all of the color codes so that it's easy to use, easy to pass on. And then our typography, which is our font. So we can see what their brand looks like and then how that translates over to their website. So we'll just scroll through the first page. We help you with your email opt-in and go through so that you have a total custom website that you can feel really confident about. If you're ready to get some visual branding for your business, these 3 options are great for you. Choose one that works best for you and then just do it. A lot of time is wasted on like dancing around. Should I do this? Which one should I do? And the truth is just choose it. Choose something and then go for it. Because we need a clear visual brand so that we can start showing up more consistently and more confidently online. All right. If this video was helpful, make sure that you subscribe. And for any links, check out the caption below. And we'll see you next time.